Hello, and welcome to March 12th. The pre falls back 2% from the 70 to 68. And there it is at 68. But we're going to start off today with Ring. Why? Because we haven't got into the penny stocks, and this one had a nice moves up to 12%. And go into the criteria why we're doing the penny stock was because my weekend mastermind group asked about my scanner working in a penny stock arena. And I said, hey, let's give it a shot, see what it works. So we went ahead and ran the scanner. This came up on the radar, and it got selected because it had the best price. The filtering for the um, selection was that it had to be also had optionables, which gives it a bit of more qualifying, because to be have a stock on the exchange and then have it qualify for options, it has to go through some due process. So that's how REI got selected, and we're now at 12.76% for this trade on this penny stock. The other penny stock was Sundial. It got picked up, it triggered, and now Sundial's conditions were same conditions. It had to be $1 to $5. It had option. It had to be optionable. I didn't check the options because we're not going to do options. I just made it use it as a filter to clean down to something manageable from the thousands of penny stocks that are out there. And then we picked it by the highest volume. This had a three 311 million shares on March 10th when we ran the scanner, and then we got picked up. So here we are with Sundial, and it's running at a -2%. Let me go and check this. Oh, we have to remove this moving average and apply the new one that we're initiated, and that's the exponential. So another lesson: how to add a exponential moving average or add any component to the Thinkorswim price chart. And then we have it here, and it defaults at 30. And come to the gear and change this to 10. And okay, apply. Okay, we're done. And we're now using the 10-day EMA as a point of trend and optional, not trading criteria. Okay, so that is the conclusion for the penny stocks. Now let's go on to that leader of the day. The leader of the day is CPRI at 68%, and 68%. We have we had our close above the 30-day moving average. The closest higher low, lower low, the dipper. We're right out of day traders. You buy on the dip. So that dip now is our out for this trade at this moment. We have some nice doji action coming across the top, so we should be looking down to a dip and up pull again, and then we'll be able to move our stop up to that new lower low, unless providing Capri can get some more firepower and get across 100 ROI. The close of ROI 100, then we go to last bar low. Okay, that's just Capri. Now the big surprise was Walgreen. It just joined us yesterday, and it's already taking second place. Yes, here is Walgreen. Nice move. It's closing in on its first ratio. We're looking for $60 for the 3 ratio. Also, too, got to confirm that we now have the stop at the official. Now, why we have the stop here and not a lower low is because this doji action is an indication that the seller stopped. So that's a good point of support right there. And we have a nice spread of about $2.70. So that's the risk that we're taking on the action of the stock price. Then we're looking at the option, and the option cost. Oh, we don't have the option cost. How much did it cost us? $2.59. So let's go ahead and bring up our notes up to date. So we were anticipating $2.68, and we got filled in at 2.59. So that's a pretty good price. We saved a few pennies on that, and that helps. As you saw earlier or later, T minus was filled with a horrible fill of almost $1.50, and the result was that it struggled to try to get into positive territory. All right, let's focus here on Walgreen. So we had Again, we had a doji. That's a doji. We put our stop here so that we are still in the 3 to 1. One of the key components of the 3 to 1 ratio. I'm gonna have to expand the time zone here. Let me expand the time zone and then show you why the 3 to 1 is important. The 3 to 1 is trying to find if price has been here before. Now we have a high of 55.49 and that's the highest in the last month, 9 months. That's so right there. That's the highest point at 48.96. But is it really the highest? Well, right. To verify if that is the if if Walgreen has been above 60, let's go ahead and call up uh one of our favorite sites, and that is Trading View. So we'll bring Trading View into the picture, and here at Trading View is a free site, and it's kind of cool because of what it offers. Just put up the advertising. I don't mind the advertising because sometimes I find new stuff. That's what advertising is all about. Now, you have here their master chart. Come down here to the word all, and Walgreen has been as high as $96 back in 2015. So price where it's at now is nothing new. That's the important part about this. If price has been here once, it will get there again, providing it's a good, well-maintained company. And then therefore it will have that opportunity. All we want out of this, and then let's look at the fundamentals, let's look at the technicals to see where it's going to possibly even be a month from now. This is one of the things too I like about this site. Come here, and now you can see that all the indicators down below are in agreement. This is an evaluator. This is the ones who are competing against the indicators because the indicators have left us into some lost trades. So we have Walgreen, and now let's see where it's projected a month from now. And a month from now is projected to be in strong buy. So we have a real good potential of moving forward with this in the next 30 days. And that's what Trading View, and that's Trading View. Now there's another one called Trader's View that people get confused. Trader's View is a tracking software, online web tracking that keeps track of your trades, of how you're doing, your performance, and your win rate, and your win per rate, and stuff like that, which you can pretty much get the information from your brokerage house if you know how to dig for it. TradeView does it in a nice, easier setup. This is Trading View. So it's Trading View that you need to be looking at if you're going to be evaluating your stocks to see what the potential is going into the future. Okay. That takes us to RTX, and we're running out of time. So I apologize. We're not going to get to the other positives, but we have some good working lessons in here. And there we are, and RTX. And this is Raytheon. It's coming up. Nice move. See, and nice. You like these nice 45-degree angles. They're really very good. You get shooting rockets. You got to be very careful to really get quick to take your trades off the table. And let's see if we are also need to remove and fix this one. So let's go ahead and fix this moving average. And again, exponential moving average. Double click, get some on the price chart. Click the gear, switch to 10, and away it goes. And that's it. So Raytheon has a nice move there at 25%. Well, we're out of time, and I apologize for that. We'll catch up more tomorrow with Losers Become Winners, CPRI 68% for the Alphas. And with that, thank you very much, and bye-bye.